guys? Fun in the mirror. Who's that handsome boy? Vegas, is that you? Is that you? Hi, Vegas. Hi, Vegas. Hey, Sky. Only 4 of them here now. Who's that pretty girl? Hi, Sky. Hi, gorgeous. Aw, who's that handsome boy? Try and do this without getting me in there. Hey, buddy. Hi, pretty girl. Never really knows how loud the TV is when I ignore it until I turn the video camera on. Is that you? Aw, you're so cute. Is that my phone? I should turn this on sooner. Romeo and Ella were into the mirror before too. They go in spurts, so totally ignore it. Usually when I freshly clean it, you gotta go and shut up. Hey! Who's making all this noise? I put a collar on turquoise so you can tell. That's Vegas with no collar. Put the ribbon back on orange. Bella.
Whites, as everyone knows,
Hey, pretty.
Stay white. New Resolve Gold for whites could be about to change that.
That's
Let's put it
Vegas.
to the test.
Aren't you handsome? What you doing, babe? Vegas! Oh, look at you!
That's whiteness. On a remarkable scale, 60% whiter whites. New Resolve Gold for whites. Try it today.
And in my lap. Hey, Vegas. And there's... I know, it's you! There's Ava. Hush, Ava. There's laying on the tile floor. And up the hall is, you can't see, Chase. Nina's in the other room on the couch. Baby. Aren't you handsome, Vegas? That's Ella in the middle. Vegas. Sky. Here we have upside down. Oops. Romeo. And that's the puppies today. Tomorrow morning we'll be up bright and early. And Mr. Romeo, he likes his tummy rubbed. And Sky, oh, you're upside down too, are you? Are you? I'm going for a plane ride to their new families. And you? You're staying here. Oh, back for another look. You are so handsome. Pretty girl. Who's pretty girl? Who's pretty girl? Oh, that'd be you. Kind of funny the way they look at themselves in the mirror. You are so fine. Yes, you are. Hi, Romeo. Hi, Romeo. Hi, baby. Hi, handsome. You just want to make sure I have to clean that lots, don't you? Yeah, happy boy. Who's that in the mirror? Is that you? Vegas. Vegas. Who dat? What's the fuss? Huh? You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Bath time tonight for everybody for their weekly bath. And maybe a bunch of Windexing. For sure. Back for another look. These two are flying together. They really get along well. Yeah. Sweet puppies. Psst, 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 psst. Hi, bub. Say bye for now. Bye for now.